All right, Todd, back on the ice with the Moose here practicing, getting set for Iowa on Sunday. I guess just first off, how was the break? It was a little extended, obviously, due to some COVID-19 protocols, but just nice to get away and relax and take your mind off hockey for a little bit.
It's always good to get back and see some family and friends, but 10 days I think was enough. I think most of the guys are excited to get back to work and see everybody, so it's been good so far.
What did you like about the first little bit of the season, too? You know, you guys finished up with a decent road trip through Canada, too, and then a couple of home games before finishing off with a road trip. But just what have you liked about your play here with the Moose so far?
It's been great. I think we've battled a lot of adversity so far in the first half with injuries, and I think everyone's been dealing with COVID in different ways and stuff, and I think we've handled it well with guys in and out of the lineup, and it's definitely been great so far.
Who are some of those guys that you've been sort of leaning on just to sort of show you the ropes of the AHL? And of course, you signed your contract in the offseason, playing your first couple of games, getting your first AHL goal too. But who are some of those guys you've just been sort of reaching out to, I guess, just learning the pro game here in your first couple of games?
I think it's just watching some of the older guys on the ice. I don't think there's really anyone in specific. I think there's a lot of good guys that you want to follow on the ice, just following the little things that they do, picking up on things that maybe you want to craft into your game. So I think that's been huge so far.
You've also been getting some reps on the power play too. We saw you taking some reps in practice too. Just what does that mean too to also get the, I guess, trust and support of the coaching staff that you are doing the right things, you're doing the right things to get to the net and get some special teams time as well? Yeah,
like I said, with all the adversity going in with guys in and out in the lineup, it's been great, and I've been fortunate enough to get that spot, and definitely going to try and make the most of it.
Getting set to face Iowa, like I said, on Sunday, just what are you looking forward to finally getting back into game action? It's been so long, a couple of weeks, to finally step back on that ice in a game mentality. What's that going to mean to you guys?
It's going to be huge for us. I think we kind of want some normalcy and to get back on the ice, play some games. So we're just going to focus on that and be ready the rest of the week, so we're ready for puck drop.
One thing obviously that won't be normal is no fans in the building. Last season, did you happen to play without fans at all when you were playing college? I mean, it obviously isn't the same. Just what do the fans bring when they're in the building? What does I guess not going to be there when you play on Sunday?
Yeah, there's not the juice with the fans in the crowd, so we kind of have to bring our own energy on the bench and in between periods, just relying on the guy next to you and bringing that guy up. So I think we'll be doing a lot of that this weekend.